I don't know. What do you think?
How about landslide?
Landslide? Yeah, okay. Um, took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the season of my mind? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you, weenie shame. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I lived my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. Take my love, take it down. Climb a mountain, I turn around. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, landslide, bring it down. If you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring it. Landslide will bring it down.
Oh, sweetie, that was beautiful.
Thanks, Weenie Machine. Hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and with me today, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Hey, Boozhoo! And welcome back to the show. Boozhoo, Gwen. I got it. Now I'm outside. I'd give you a gold star, but I'm gonna have to go back. Well, I'll call her. Bloop.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie.
Well, hi, Nanaboozhoo. What you doing?
I'm outside. I teleported out here. But I wanted to. Can you give a gold star to Gwen Carly today?
Well, I'd be happy to. Who's the second one?
Always learning.
And a silver star for always learning.
Boozhoo. It's nice to see you guys here. Should I just come back to the house?
You know, it makes more sense than you being outside.
Yeah, because it's not like I have a computer out here.
Right, huh?
Okay, will you teleport me home, sweetie?
Sure. Let me scan for your coordinates.
Okay.
And 1 to teleport home. Hang on.
Okay.
Say the thing.
All right. Make it so, number 1.
No. Oh, there you are.
Hey,
How you doing?
I'm good.
Well, how is it outside?
It was nice. But, I need to be inside so I can see the computer, see who's here. Hey, Boozhoo, welcome to the show. And in fact, you know what, sweetie? How about a little intro music?
All right.
Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to this Abituse halfway Wednesday edition of the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and conspiracy theories
Yeah,
and stories
that's right.
and celebrity gossip.
And you never know who's going to come. And the call-in show.
Yeah, call-in, celebrity call-ins. We just do it all here.
We sure do.
We do it all kind of halfway. We do it all kind of half-ass.
Hey, don't swear.
Sorry. And Jim Dunn's here. Hey, Boozhoo, Jim. And Jim says, and I got a piece of coal. Yep, that's right, dude. Jim knows what it's about. There's first place, golden. Second place, silver. Third place. You're like the kids Santa Claus doesn't like. The kids who can't keep their lying mouths shut.
Don't you get started.
Hey, and Missy's here. Boozhoo, Missy. Abituse is halfway. And let me tell you something. There's no halfway about it. I don't know. Good morning. Gwen says, beautiful song to start my day. Oh, me, Gwetch. I'm so glad you like it. Yeah, we always get a little, it's not a copyright strike. We get a copyright notification when we do cover songs. And so we're going to have to share a little bit of the ad revenue today with Stevie Nicks.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I don't care. I took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I looked around. Yeah. Stevie Nicks. They don't make him like that anymore. You don't see Stevie Nicks carrying on like Madonna.
Yeah.
Stevie Nicks has a little bit of class left, Madonna, she's still trying to act like it's 1984. Strutting around in her fake plastic face and butt implants. Ugh. It's just embarrassing to watch Madonna. I wish she'd die already.
Hey, don't say that.
Okay, I don't wish she'd die, but she could take some lessons on how to age gracefully from Stevie Nicks. You know how you age gracefully, ladies? You just go away. Nobody's taken a picture of Stevie Nicks in 25 years.
That's kind of true.
I know. Have you seen her? No. We all remember her from Edge of 17 or whatever. Anyway, but today's show is not really about that, is it, sweetie?
I don't know what today's show is about.
Today's show is all about courage.
Hey, sweetie, you want to take a call?
Should I take the call first or should I teach the word first?
Okay, go teach the word and then you can take the call.
Okay. So, today we're going to talk about Boozhoo, a lion, who was very fearful. He had kotaji. He had so much fear, they actually called him cowardly. That's what he was known as. The cowardly lion. Remember him, sweetie?
From The Wizard of Oz?
That's right. That's that song you love so much.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Thanks.
And then there's a Zungita A. Then there's bravery. So I was thinking about telling the story of the cowardly lion. I was going to tell the Wizard of Oz story, but But something tells me that maybe somebody's on the line who might want to discuss this.
That's right, on line 2.
Okay. Gee, I wonder who this could be. Caller, welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. You're on the air. Oh, man, I'm freaking out, Nanaboozhoo. You gotta help me, man. Hey, Misha Biji, how you doing? I'm not doing well, man. I'm not doing well at all, man. I'm really scared. Oh, what are you so scared of? How come you're so gotaji? How come you're so fearful? I don't want to get the COVID, man. What if I get the COVID, man? I'm gonna die. Okay, calm down. First of all, I don't know what your age group you are. You are pretty old. I mean, when did that movie come out? Like the 30s? Yeah, man, I'm like 112. Okay, you are in a dangerously old group. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. If you get the COVID, that's probably a wrap. Man, don't say that. I got the vaccinations. I got the booster shot. I'm wearing a mask. I haven't left my house in 2 years, man. I just keep waiting to get the COVID. I don't want to die, man. You got to help me. Okay, calm down. I'm going to help you. First of all, you've watched too much mainstream media. You're freaking out. That's what they want. Even by their own deceitful numbers, most people totally recover from the flu, the COVID, just like any other winter when you get the sniffles, all right? With people under 40 or something, you got like a 1% to 0% chance of dying from this thing, okay? It's not that big of a deal. Calm down. They got everyone thinking that's like the bubonic plague or something. You're going to die just from age, all right? Being 139 or whatever you are. I can't believe that after all these years you haven't made some peace with the reality that, yeah, guess what? People die. You're not going to live forever, Misha Biji. Don't say that, man. I got enough stress as it is. Why? Why are you so scared? Because I don't want to go to hell, man. You're not going to go to hell. I don't know. I've cursed God a lot. And I'm part of the Freemasons and the Illuminati. And I worship Satan, man. Oh, okay, well, maybe you will go to hell. But, you got to have some zungada-eh. Zungada-eh. You got to have some bravery, man. I don't know how to just instill bravery in you. But this is no time to fall apart. Okay, man. Hey, can I ask you a question? Yeah, sure. What can I do for you? Your show today said, you were going to tell us how we could be a millionaire and not even pay taxes, man. How can I be a millionaire and never pay taxes? That's crazy. Okay. All right, I'll be honest. That's kind of clickbait. I'm sort of thinking dumb people will go, hey, what's this video? It's going to teach me how to be a millionaire and never pay taxes? Well, let me tell you, Mr. Biji, you can be a millionaire and never pay taxes. You can have $1 million and never pay taxes. You say, Nanaboozhoo, how can I be a millionaire and never pay taxes? Well, it's very simple. First, get $1 million. Now, when the tax man comes to your door and he knocks on your door and he says, Misha Biji, you have never paid taxes. You say 2 simple words. I forgot. So many people let them get themselves into impossible situations because they say, I forgot. I forgot armed robbery was illegal.
Hey, did you just steal that from Steve Martin?
Yeah.
I love that bit.
Man, that doesn't help me. How do I get $1 million? I don't know. Work hard. Start a business. Inherit. I don't know. Weren't you in a movie in Hollywood? You must be getting some residuals or whatever from that? No, man, you should have seen my contract at the time. I can't even take the costume off. It's ridiculous, man. What costume? Oh, that's right, never mind. I'm a Mitsubishi. I'm a lion, man. But I'm a Kotaji Mitsubishi. I'm a fearful lion. What? I don't know what to do, man. Okay, here. I'm going to give you a little bit of advice, and then I got to move on. I learned something. You know, I'm not as young as I look. I mean, you're my elder, granted. And forgive me, Mitsubishi. I don't mean to give advice to an elder. I think that's pretty, I mean, it's not rude, but it's kind of cocky. But this is one thing I learned that helped me, so take it with a grain of salt. When I've been fearful, Baba Mendem, when you have a lot of anxiety and worry, Baba Mendem, they say you can either have gratitude or anxiety. One at a time. You can't do them at the same time. You can't have tons of anxiety and tons of gratitude at the same time. So, if you're tired of being worried all the time, write down the things you're grateful for. Like, let me just ask you, Misha Biji, what's one thing you're grateful for? One thing I'm grateful for? Well, man, I guess I'm grateful that, I still got most of my hair. You know, it's receding a little bit, but, I got a big old mane. I got this really great beard, and my hair is gorgeous. That's right. You got gorgeous hair. Write that down. What else are you grateful for? I was in a movie everybody liked, I guess. Yeah, it was a movie, and you got good hair. And I got some pretty good friends, I guess. I got a scarecrow. And, that chick Dorothy, she was all right. She was all right, I can't complain. Yeah, see, I can hear it in your voice. You're already starting to calm down. You got your health. I got my health. I'm 139 years old, man. Yeah, you're 139 years old. And, you look great. You're the king of the forest and all that. You can sing. You can dance. Yeah, man, I got a lot to be thankful for. Thank you, Nanaboozhoo. Well, you're very welcome, Niji. Man, maybe I don't need to be so Gotaji after all. That's right. Now I'm going to let you go before you completely forget your accent. Give me a break, man. Okay. All right, I gotta go, Mitsubishi. Kigawaba men. Minawa. Okay, man. Kigawaba men. Minawa. Okay. His voice kind of changes.
I know, it's weird.
It's almost like he forgets what his accent was.
I know.
Mitsubishi is a lion. Like Michael Lyons. Yeah. Kotaji is to be fearful. And Zunkata is to be brave. What are you afraid of? Are you afraid of getting the COVID? Or do you have bravery? You're like, you know what? I'm going to go to Walmart. I'm not even going to put a mask on. I'm brave. I'm going to go to Walmart, just sneeze on people. See what happens. Be brave. Brave heart, man.
Yeah.
So, what's going on down here? Zagame, la la la. Zagame is here.
Boozhoo, Zagame, hey, hey.
Can you tell me how to get to Zagame? I'm driving, so I can't participate, but I am listening. What? Why don't you pull over? What, you can't pull over and watch our show in the comfort of your own car on the side of the road? I like these people who listen to our show. We better be entertaining. All right. Here's a little song. No, I don't know. That was kind of a dumb call, huh?
What, from the Cowardly Lion?
Yeah. Especially if you were listening and didn't see the picture. You'd have no idea who that was supposed to be.
I know.
Hey, Shelly Am's here. Boozhoo, Shelly. What's going on, my girl? Shelly's here, sweetie.
Hey, Shelly.
That could be interesting, sneezing on people at Walmart. Yeah, Walmart is the Thunderdome.
Yeah.
You know, it's all Mad Max when you get in there. People have totally disregarded any kind of general societal dress code. You know, you look back in the 1940s and people go out grocery shopping and they put on a coat and tie, bring the missus and the kids, and they go shopping. They buy the groceries and they pick up things they need as a family. Out in the market, there was a dignity. Now you walk into Walmart, there's people wearing pajama bottoms, riding scooters they don't need to ride. It's like, look, aren't you fat enough? Maybe a walk through Walmart would help you burn some calories. Get off the little scooter. You're not a rascal. You know, people, and then since the mask thing, then people don't even fix up their hair. They think, oh, nobody knows it's me. I have a mask on, so I can just wear my nasty old pajama bottoms. And it's, 6 o'clock in the evening, so that person's just been sitting around in their gross old pajamas they slept in for the last week. Probably poop stains in their underwear. I mean, just, So you go in there and you just want to shop, but it's like the Walking Dead. Black Friday, Black Friday. I think people have lost their souls in Walmart. But there's no going back.
What do you mean?
It's not like we can go back to the 1970s, 60s, before there were malls and Walmarts, and Targets. When you go down to the local grocer, the guy from your town who bought food from the farmers. Take me back, sweetie. I want to go back to the good old days.
I know. There's no going back.
Maybe when the economy crashes and the internet crashes and all the supply chains from China. I saw a really funny racist thing the other day.
What was it?
It was on South Park. It was the I don't even know what company it was supposed to be. It was a Chinese company who was giving a special for Black Friday. And the joke was what was it? Brack Friday, Baranza or something. It was all, I guess you had to be there. What was I talking about? Oh, after they shut off the internet and we go back to living like in pre-industrial days.
Do you think that's coming?
I don't know. Maybe. I think we're living in the new millennium's version of the Great Depression. It was the Roaring '20s. But then after that, like right before World War II, when everyone was poor and the world was in chaos, this is our generation's version of that. Something big is going to happen. Everyone's going to go, bank accounts will be wiped out. Everyone's going to go back to just raising chickens in their front yard for food. There won't be any electricity. Or maybe nothing will happen. I don't know. What do I know? Don't know much about history. Don't know much about biology. But I do know Brian Souls is here. How you doing, Brian? Welcome to the show. Brian's here, sweetie.
Well, hi, Brian. How you doing, Nietzsche?
And Shelly Ham says, that could be interesting. Sneezing on people. Oh, yeah, I already read that. Lou Page is back. Hey, Boozhoo, Lou. Lou's here, sweetie.
Hi, Lou.
I try not to buy from chain stores if I can help it. Yeah, I wish I could get in the habit. It's just so convenient to go to Walmart. But I have a love-hate relationship with Walmart. You know, you can get everything you need all one place. I'm kind of getting used to checking myself out too. You know, it makes me buy less. Like, for crying out loud, all night to be checking myself out. I'm just going to get what I need and get out. You know, because if you go in there and you wait for a cashier, once in a while they do have cashiers, you can wait for 20 minutes for someone to finally check you out. I'm like, why are you guys so slow at this? You should be, you know, the industry leader at checking people out. You get some kid up there and like, you know, he doesn't care, and I feel sorry for him. Can you do another 12-hour shift at Walmart for $9 an hour? But, okay, let's get into it, sweetie.
You ready for the big guns?
Yeah. Today's word of the day. Ishpaming. A lot of people want to say that Ishpaming is the word for heaven. Gagige Winagozi. Gagige Winagozi, I didn't write it down. In the Ojibwe language, our word for heaven is the land of everlasting happiness. Gagikwe Gozi winning. And but our word for the sky, the firmament, that big old glass dome that rotates around us, that the stars are in, is called the Ishpaming. It is the sky above, or the firmament, as Christians would call it. As people who read the Bible and call themselves Christians have to believe, if they say they believe their Bible. Not to be too obnoxious, Christians. Wake up. Psalms 9:1 or whatever it was. The firmament shows glory be to God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork, or something. But I'm not going to get into that whole thing. But Ishpaming, when you look up at the sky, and then to be up high is Ishpashin. Ishpashin. So some people are, like to use that word when they talk about a different kind of high. Huh, sweetie?
When they talk about being stoned.
Yeah, exactly. These darn kids. Hey, man, want to get high? Yeah. That's really good. What do you think? You're just going to enjoy music more? It's going to help you enjoy food. It's going to be more flavorful. You're going to feel more creative. Huh? Is that what your kids are after, really? Are you looking for some sort of a, peaceful, easy feeling? You know what brings that? Hard work.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Just say no, you guys. How many times does Nancy Reagan gotta tell you? On the one hand, you got Michael Jordan saying, just do it. Oh, really? Should I, Michael Jordan? You just want me to do it? You want me to ishpaming? Or ishpishin? Whatever the word is. You want me to just do it and get high? I don't think so. Just say no, Nancy Reagan. And Nancy Reagan was a Satanist.
Was she really?
Yeah, she used to go to seances and stuff. That lady was a straight up witch. So, there you go.
Hey, speaking of witches.
What's that?
We got a phone call.
Oh, you're kidding. All right. On line 2?
Yep, line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. The serious podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. You're on the air.
Kamala?
I'm not going to talk to that cackling fool.
But she's the Vice President of the United States.
She's a cackling fool. She can't stop laughing. I don't got time for that. We're a serious show, you guys. Vice President or no, that's no way to behave. Just get on the phone, just cracking up. Hey, sober up for a minute, will you? It's early yet. I don't got time for that nonsense, sweetie. I mean it. I've had it.
I know you are. What am I?
I know. Oh, man.
Do you want to take a different call?
Yeah, sure. Is it somebody serious?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. On line 2?
Yep.
Hello, caller. If you're not a cackling fool, welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. You're on the air. Hey, dude, what's going on? Well, hey, Keanu Reeves. Welcome back to the show. Hey, sweetie, it's Keanu Reeves.
Hey, Keanu, how you doing?
Hey there, Natasha. I'm doing all right. Well, actually, I'm kind of gnarly, if I'm being honest. But,
Why? What's wrong?
you know, my girlfriend, she left me. Oh, did your girlfriend die of natural causes? No, dude. No, she just left me. She went to Walmart. And so, you know, I kind of bummed out. I miss my girlfriend. Oh, I assume she died from old age. No, dude, she's not that old. She's just got gray hair. And I think it's pretty cool. You know, I'm dating an old gray-haired lady, man. I don't even care what she looks like. You know, I love her so much, I miss her when she goes to Walmart. You know, it's rad, dude. That is pretty rad. Well, I'm glad you're happy. I'm glad you finally found love. Yeah, dude. You know. So, what are you doing? Well, I was trying to teach an Ojibwe word of the day. We got this live stream podcast, and we're on kind of a mission. We wanna learn Ojibwe language together, and then someday, you know, we won't even speak English in here anymore. It'll just be people tune in. I'll be like, Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo Nindijinikas Bindigain Niman Windham G-A-I-N Amanungum. All right, that's gnarly. Well, hey, Nanaboozhoo, Keanu Reeves Nindijinikas Dush, you know, Niman Windham G-A-I-N Omanundum, dude. Oh, that's great. But do you mean Omanungum? Yeah, what'd I say? I think you said Omanundum. Dude, no, I meant Omanungum. I'm happy to be here too, dude. Yeah, right on. Minoa as well. Yeah. I didn't know you spoke so much Ojibwe. Well, you know, I picked a little bit up when I was on the movie set, Smoke Signals, dude. You weren't in Smoke Signals. I wasn't? What, didn't I play Thomas? No, that was somebody else. Oh, dude, I don't know, man. I think I must be Ishpaming. I must be really high. Yeah, maybe you are. So, anyway. So, you're pretty happy? You're dating old lady? You working on any new projects? Yeah, dude, just finishing up the next movie, The Matrix. You gonna come see my movie, The Matrix, dude? Probably not. Come on, come see The Matrix. I need the money. Nah, I heard you have like $320 million or something ridiculous. Yep, pays pretty well to be a movie star, tell you that. Pays pretty well. Yeah, it must, huh? Nah, I don't know. I've been let down too many times by movies. You know, I get bored easy. I think I have ADHD. You got the ADHD, do you? Nah, I just think you guys don't make good movies anymore. They're all the same thing. You know, it's the same format. It always ends in a gunfight. You're always some sort of anti-hero. Now, you know, you got to have representation of every racial group. And, you know, who's the strong female co-lead in this movie? Oh, hold on, Keanu. I gotta sneeze. Oh, God bless you. Hey, thank you. Sometimes I sneeze in twos. No, I think this is just a oneer. Do you know why they say God bless you? You know, I never really thought about it. Why do they say God bless you? Because when you sneeze, your soul it's your soul trying to escape. And by saying God bless you, it shoves it back into your nose. No way. Yep. Gnarly, dude. Yep. So, I don't know. You want to teach an Ojibwe word? Yeah, that'd be awesome. That'd be excellent. Oh, yeah, like that movie? Yeah, I was in this movie, Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, dude. Yeah, I never saw that either. Abatuse. Halfway. Abatuse is halfway. All right. That's gnarly, dude. What's that referring to? Well, it refers to Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday. That's halfway through the week, huh? Yep. Abatuse. That's how we say Wednesday. All right. Well, hey, listen, I better let you go. I think I see my old aged wife. She's pulling up outside. Oh, did you get back from Walmart? Yep. The minivan van's gonna drop her off. The minivan? Yeah, she's in the elder shuttle. You know, the shuttle comes, picks her up, and then you take her, walk her around Walmart. Nah, dude, I'm kidding. Oh, I totally believe that. All right, I gotta go, Keanu. All right, gnarly, dude. Gigawabamin, min, minawa. Yep, Gigawabamin, min, minawa, Keanu. Keanu Reeves, baby.
Yeah, he's a big movie star.
He sure is. Keanu Reeves, you guys. A true American hero. They should give him the, whatever you give heroes.
The Medal of Valor.
The Medal of Valor. Is that really a thing?
I have no idea.
Valor. I want a Medal of Valor. There you go. Way to be so valorous. Sunny day. Shelly Ham says, Zagame, you never know how your actions may change others. Just do your best to follow your path the best way you can. Zagame says, just still sounds like the dad turtle on Finding Nemo. I never saw Finding Nemo. Oh, Nemo! Isn't that Keanu Reeves' character's name in The Matrix?
Oh, yeah, Nemo.
Yeah, see? That's a synchronicity. So anyway. Sweetie, did you want to get up here and say hello to the people?
Yeah, I could. You got another song for him?
I thought I did. We played Landslide. I don't think this is it ain't the whiskey anymore. I think this is something else, but I can't remember which one.
You just want to play it?
Yeah. All right, guys. Up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. And this is a song. This song goes out to the Boozhoo crew and everybody who's having sort of a halfway day. And Abatuse. This is a song. Oh, this is Snow and Skin. And the road is closed. Still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. And I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin, snow on skin. I've seen, nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. But how long do I have, and how long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin, snow on skin. What I've seen, nothing's meant to last, and I can't move forward.
Why is that?
And I'm living in the past, and I'm living in the past, and I'm living in the past. I'm living in the past.
Oh, yeah. Boozhoo! Hey, everybody. Just thought I'd step outside. How you doing? Natasha Nindishan cause. Natasha is my name. Bemichika Magnindonjaba. Bemichi is my home. This is where I'm from. Awasasi Dindodam. Bullhead is the clan I'm from. Neiman Wayndam. I'm happy. Gaion to be Oma here. Nungoom today. I'm happy to be here today with the Boozhoo crew, hanging out on a Wednesday morning with a little bit of a sema, a little bit of tobacco. Thinking about putting out some tobacco. I don't know. I hate to just jump right into prayer. I gotta wait to be inspired. I gotta get the feeling from the Gitchamanadu, from the Great Spirit. La-di-da-di-da. I heard it said once that inspiration means to be in spirit. A Manadoog. Manadu. The single one would be Manadu, a spirit. What's that mean? In spirit. I thought it was a spirit. Well, you are a spirit, but then you can be in the spirit, the Holy Spirit. You know, when you're in tune with the Creator, in tune with the Great Spirit. That's why, at the end of the day, even satanic artists are spiritual people. You know, when an artist or a musician or anybody who operates in inspiration, a lot of these people, when they mature, a lot of these guys get pretty religious, pretty spiritual. I mean, you think about Prince. Yeah, he was a weirdo and everything, but the dude was preoccupied, whether he was for a long time he was like a Jehovah's Witness or something weird. And then he was involved in some other, I was watching a song, Prince sing Purple Rain in like 1988 or something. And the whole beginning of the song was him talking about Jesus. And, I'm like, what is going on here? But for people who have ever experienced true inspiration, it's like you do feel like God just gave you an idea. Or God filled you up with energy and interest to do this thing. Oh, I'm just inspired. I couldn't stop, drawing. That'll happen sometimes. You get inspired. And kids, if there's any kids watching, if you ever had this experience where you're drawing and drawing and drawing, and then after a while you're getting tired, and you're, you feel like you should go do something else. Oh, it's getting late or whatever. My show's going to start. But you can't stop drawing. I'm just going to whip out one more thing. That's inspiration. That's the Great Spirit going, no, I want you to draw. You're going to stumble into something amazing here. Inspiration isn't just the idea. It's like a spirit enters you and it makes you want to carve, crazy horse's face in a mountain. They go, you know what? I'm going to carve I'm going to do my own Mount Rushmore. And we're going to carve Crazy Horse or whatever. That's probably a bad example, but, every artist eventually experiences inspiration. Experience an experience where they experience an experience. That makes sense. But you get a gift. You get a great idea. You get some inspiration. And it's hard to explain. You go, what? It's almost magical. It's almost spiritual. So, how about this? I'm gonna offer tobacco to the 4 directions. Otapanan Niwiasema, Manadugo Wede, Wabanung, east. Otapanan Niwiasema, Manadugo Wede, Jawanun. Take some of my tobacco spirits over there in the south. Otapanan Niwiasema, Manadugo Wede, Ningabianang. I should have wrote this down. Ningabianang. Please accept my tobacco spirits over there in the west. Tapanan Niwiasema Manadugo Wede Ningabianang. Or Gabianang. What is it? Giwedananung. Ningabianang's west. Giwedananung is north. Otapanan Niwiasema Mama Aki. Mother Earth. Accept my tobacco. And then finally, Otapanan Niwiasema Kichimanadu. And with my tobacco offering, just go say a little prayer. Kichimanadu. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Great Spirit. Thank you for listening. Natasha Nandisha Kaz. Natasha's my name. Miigwech. Wow, Bamadazian. Thank you for this life. Miigwech. Kaiji Webak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech. Kaiji Kakina Keku. Kaiji Chikea Nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Taka we duka wishan men away nungum. Please help me to speak well today. And, miigwech. Ape inge. Amen. Thank you. Amen. Oh, you're very welcome, me daughter. Well, hey there, Kichimanadu. What's going on, my father, who art in heaven? Oh, I'm doing very well this morning. How are you, me daughter? Oh, not too bad. Just thought I'd say a little prayer, just thanking you for everything and asking you to help me out today.
Well, me daughter, all you need to do is ask. Ask and you shall, however that line goes.
You don't even know the Bible verse?
I forget once in a while. And a knock on the door shall be open or something like that.
Yeah, huh? So, yeah, I decided to come outside and do a little prayer. Oh, got nothing better to do.
Well, me daughter, I'm always listening. So whenever you want to talk to your creator, you just put out some tobacco and say a prayer. And I will listen.
Yeah, huh? So, what should I do with my life?
Well, me daughter, what do you want to do with your life? It's your life.
Well, what's the meaning of life?
The meaning is what you bring to it. Me daughter, I can't tell you the meaning of life any more than I can tell you what you should do and how you should live. It is your life to experience. Have fun, I say.
Okay, have fun. Well, that's pretty easy.
It's not that easy for some people. Some people have a very hard time finding fun. They're so filled with fear. It's quite a tragedy.
Yeah, why is that?
The stupid news. They got everyone afraid of pandemics and afraid of each other. It sells ads to make people afraid.
Yeah, huh? Should I be afraid?
Oh, no, don't be afraid, me daughter. I am your creator. I am just a prayer away. You got nothing to be afraid of.
Oh, okay. Should the Boozhoo crew be afraid?
The Boozhoo crew should be sorely afraid. I come with wrath. Vengeance is mine, Boozhoo crew. Nah, I kid.
Oh, get out of here.
I love the Boozhoo crew. They're my favorites.
All right, I better get back.
Okay, me daughter. I will see you again. Giga wabba min. Minawa.
Okay. Giga wabba min. Minawa. Gichi manadu. Great spirit, people. All right.
Bloop. Okay, Boozhoo.
Hi, sweetie. It's me.
Hi, honey. Do you want to come back?
Yeah. Can you teleport me home?
Sure. Scanning for your coordinates.
All right.
1 to teleport.
Make it so.
Energizing. Hey, sweetie.
Hey, baby doll.
Did you talk to God?
I did.
Did he talk back?
He did.
Man, that guy loves you.
I know. It's insane. He always talks when I pray. I don't know what's up with that. Sunny day, la la la. So today, what have we learned? Today we've learned that's Abatuse. It's the halfway. And we learned Mitsubishi is a lion. Gutaji is a fearful. Gutaji Mitsubishi is a fearful or cowardly lion. Zungada A is bravery. And what else? Ishpaming. I guess at some point we probably thought we were going to talk about the firmament again today, but I don't know. I don't know if I even want to call myself a flat earther anymore.
Don't tell me you're believing in the globe again.
No. I mean, once you go flat, you never go back. I mean, I don't believe we live on a spinning ball. And I do seem... It's not even about believing. I see the stars moving around us. I believe the stars move in the same way I believe the sun is moving and the moon is moving. I just don't believe we're moving. But something tells me that I can't prove we live on a flat earth. I can prove there's no curve, and I can prove they lie about a lot of things, but, what if there was a third explanation that's neither a globe or flat? Like I heard once, if you tell the average person we live in a matrix, with Keanu Reeves. You say, yeah, man, we live in a computer simulation. This is all an illusion. Most people are like, yeah, okay, yeah, I could believe that, sure, why not? But if you tell them, oh yeah, and it's flat, they lose their minds. Go, what? You're out of your mind. That's crazy talk. Yeah, you can believe we live in the Matrix, but if you think we live on a flat, motionless plane with a dome over us, and that outer space is fake, that's crazy talk. Sure, we're a computer simulation, that I believe. But, la la la. Hey, Flat Stuff Earth is back. And you're blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Grassroots Indian says, the earth is flat, like an Indian butt. It's like a Gawain ass. It's Natasha time, Daniel Black is back. You may be flat earther, but you like level 1.5. You like level 1.5. I don't know what that means, Flat Stuff Earth. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear you saying, we must never question NASA, never question NASA. Hey, doesn't NASA mean to deceive? Yeah, but never mind that. That's Hebrew. In English, it means to tell the truth. The International Space Station flies through the air at twice the speed of a bullet. Never a problem. How many satellites are out in outer space? For how many decades? Never a problem. Oh, we got technology that can make things fly through solar energy. Whenever you see like one of those fake NASA pictures of a satellite, because you'll never see a real satellite unless it's attached to a balloon. That's what they are. They're satelloons. But they always show them like with the space station like this too. Oh, we got these great big solar panels. The sun. We're taking energy from the sun and flying around the globe. Yeah, our spaceship is solar powered. Because it's too hard to try to explain getting fuel up here. Yeah, solar. Well, why don't we build cars and planes like that? Oh, it's much too harder. Too hard to do down there. There's more sun up here over the clouds. Yeah, okay. Look, we went to Mars. Oh, that red light. The red light in the sky. Yeah, we flew there. Going to the moon was too hard, so we flew to Mars. And we put a rover down there in 1996, I think. 94, maybe. On solar power that could send back photographs. We could operate a remote control from NASA on Earth, millions of miles away. That we can do. Putting a GoPro on the moon to take a video of the Earth from the moon, impossible. We used to have that technology, and we lost it. It's a painful process to bring back. How are you going to bring back the technology that they had in the mid-60s? Impossible. Missy Chan says, I was supposed to see Cher, but yeah, that didn't happen. Dang pandemic. Plandemic. Yeah, Cher. You were going to go see that adrenochrome guzzling vampire. Do you believe in life after love? Yeah, I also believe in adrenochrome, Cher. You have not aged in 50 years. Don't be blaming it on plastic surgery. That is straight up black magic, Satanism. Cher. I'm glad you didn't see Cher. She probably would have stole your soul, Missy. Do you believe in life after love, after love? Oleg, Oleg, Oleg. Boozhoo, Oleg. Shtenabok. Shtenabok, Oleg Shtenabok. There's another theory called inverse Earth or hollow Earth. I've heard a little bit about hollow Earth. I think it's interesting. And it's a strange one. It has black sun and everything inside. It's a cool one. A black sun. Black hole sun, won't you come? Won't you come? I've heard it speculated that the lunar eclipse, the so-called lunar eclipse, is actually a second sun that we can't see, or a second moon that covers up the sun. It's not even the moon. It's a black hole sun. Black hole sun. Stevie Nicks is still alive. Oh, good. Do you believe in life after Stevie Nicks? Yeah, I vacation, Thor Oleg. Flat Stuffer says, March on, Washington, lock 'em up, Gitmo. March on, Washington. That's fake, too. The so-called insurrection. That's so fake, you guys. If you watch non-mainstream coverage of that, it is so obviously staged. Everything, most of the crowd were just actors. You know, that lady didn't get shot. That was a fake blood thing. Oh, she's gone. They're just calling out, she's dead. Oh, you're some paramedic. She was shot exactly 10 seconds ago and you're already calling her dead? What? Fake. I was and still will if possible. Oh, you're going to march on Washington, miss? You go get 'em, sister. We're not gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. La 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 la. Storm Antarctica. Yeah, exactly. The one treaty, the only treaty ever in history to never have a problem. Everybody agreed, everybody signed, and since the 1940s, every country in the world has agreed to this treaty and respected it fully to the letter of the law. That no one can go to Antarctica on their own. There will be no exploration, no development. No, you can't even fly over it. The Antarctic Treaty, signed by the United Nations, whose flag doesn't have Antarctica on it. Instead, the United Nations flag is the flat Earth map. So they know it's flat. You know, and they don't want us going to Antarctica because that's just a big ice wall that keeps the oceans in. There's photographs. Huge! It looks like Game of Thrones. Huge wall of ice. This goes up, I don't know, 30 stories or something. Couldn't even guess. But what's beyond it? Is that where the dome hits the ground? Or are there other continents on the other side? Does it just keep going? Are there domed worlds that just keep going on this flat plane under water and above water, apparently? We all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. We all live in an ishpaming, in a domed flat plane, a domed flat plane. Oh, we all live in a yellow submarine. But it's time to go, we ran out of time. La 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 la. Sweetie, do you want to add anything? No, that's pretty good. All right, you guys. Michael, did you want to tell them anything?
You want to tell them about Patreon?
I suppose I could. If you'd like to support the show, we have a Patreon page. Click the link in the description. We also have a PayPal. Click the link in the description. GoFundMe. And Michael has books like Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest, for sale on Amazon.com. Oh, he's a sad little bear. If you love your kids this Christmas, read them Little Cutie. If you hate your kids, have them watch Madonna perform a song now. That would have to be child abuse, huh?
Having your kids watch Madonna? Yeah, that's for sure child abuse.
We all live in a yellow submarine. All right, you guys. Well, you fellas got nothing else you want to add? Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And Miigwech Ganawabieg. Thank you for watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Oh, sweetie.
Yep.
I'm Natasha. This is Nanaboozhoo.
Okay, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa. All right, baby doll. One to teleport.
One teleporting to the kitchen. Make me a sandwich.
Hey, mister. See you tomorrow. Make it so.